IKEA is one of the easiest places to shop when you're on a specific budget. And to help you find the best sofa that fits your bill, in today's video, we'll line up the best IKEA sofas that are selling for less than $1,000 US. These sofas are stylish, comfortable, and versatile, so if your home and decor may change over the years, your sofa can adapt with it. First in the list, we have the Forheaton. There are a few models in the Forheaton range, all of which are sleeper sofas, which means you can get a sofa that doubles as a bed for under $1,000. The smallest Forheaton sleeper sofa is a 3-seater that's well-structured, modern-looking, and can sit in all kinds of living rooms. If you opt for the 3-seater sleeper sectional with storage, the lack of one armrest could present asymmetry, but it is better for sleeping than the normal 3-seater with armrest. Every model and fabric option of the Forheaton is within the range of $649 to $999 US. Overall, the Forheaton is a really nice sofa bed whether you're sitting or sleeping on it. Even though it's upholstered, you can count on us to provide customized washable slipcovers for the Forheaton in more than 70 fabric styles. Number 2 in the list is the Upland. The IKEA Upland sofa looks like an improved version of the Ektorp, but with deeper seating. Its round arms and structure sort of takes you back to a time where you spent your childhood at your grandparents'. The Upland Love Seat 3-seater and 3-seater with chaise all fall below $1,000. Even the 3-seater sectional in the most pricey fabric will cost you only $999. The Upland comes in 7 different fabric designs. If none of them seem interesting to you, just get a naked sofa from IKEA and then get a custom slipcover made in your choice of fabric. For more information, check out the links below. Another IKEA sofa selling for less than $1,000 is the Finale. Looking very much similar to our favorite IKEA sofa of all time, the Vimley, the Finale has a simple yet elegant design that could fit into almost any type of home interior. The only Finale models that make the cut for the 1K budget are the 2-seater and 3-seater options. But we still decided to include it in this list because it's just so comfortable. The Finale is really flexible as its sections can be combined in many ways to increase the size or change the shape. It's something to think about for the future when your family grows or your home expands. Next, we have the Sodderham. It sure has an appearance that looks more premium than its price. With exposed steel legs and a modern-looking structure, it certainly makes your living room look instantly sophisticated. The models that made it onto our list are the 2-seater, 3-seater corner, and only 2 colors of the 4-seat sectionals, Samsta Dark Gray and Samsta Orange. Expect soft seat cushions that you can sink into if you decide to purchase the Sodderham. It's a sofa that you don't expect to be leaving anytime soon once you've lowered yourself in. If you're into retro designs or retro sofas specifically, look no further than the IKEA Smedstorp. Besides looking like it came from a cool time in the past, the Smedstorp also offers great comfort with the high resilient foam in its seat cushions that quickly regain their shapes after you leave the sofa. Considering only its 2-seater and 3-seater ranges, the Smedstorp is priced from $749 to $899 depending on the type of upholstery and legs that you decide on. We hope this video will help you in your next purchase of the best budget IKEA sofa. Do you own or plan on buying any of the sofa models we covered? Let us know in the comments below.